layers of gas which is called atmosphere. The atmosphere protects the earth like a big blanket of insulation, like my jacket. It absorbs the sun's heat and keeps the heat inside the atmosphere, helping the earth to stay warm, called the greenhouse effect. Come on, let's see the interesting fact of atmosphere. Do you know the earth is divided into 5 different layers?
The major 5 layers are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
First, let's study about the troposphere. It's the innermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. The name tropos means change, and this layer got its name because of the weather that's constantly changing. This layer starts from the Earth's surface and extends about to 4 to 10 miles. The temperature decreases with the increasing altitude. Air we breathe, the clouds we see, the birds that flap their wings, and the wind we feel on our face are all in this layer. Second, stratosphere. It is the second lowest layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Strat means layer. This layer has its own set of layers, which is ozone layer. This layer extends about from 32 to 35 miles. Unlike the troposphere, in this layer, the temperature rises with a rising altitude, as against the heat from the ozone layer. The ozone layer helps protect us from the sun's UV radiation. In fact, it absorbs most of the sun's UV radiation. Life as we know it wouldn't be possible without this layer of protection. The stratosphere is a layer where the airplanes fly. Now, let's move on to the mesosphere. The name meso means middle. It is the middle layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It extends about up to 50 miles from the Earth's surface. Over here, the air is very thin, so you won't be able to breathe. Have you ever heard about meteor showers? Some people call it shooting stars. Meteors burn up in the mesosphere. So this is about mesosphere. Now, let's move on to the thermosphere. Thermos means heat. The temperature in this layer is very, very hot. It is 4,500 Fahrenheit. The air is very thin here. It stretches up to 400 miles from the Earth's surface. It is the home to the International Space Station and low Earth satellites. Now let's fly up to the exosphere. Exo means outside. It is the outermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. It stretches up to 6,200 miles above the Earth's surface. The air is very thin here. The exosphere is really, really big. This ends all the 5 major layers of the Earth's atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Bye. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video. Please.